All right, I'm going to give a quick demo of the new passkey and smart account multisig product that we just built out. So you'll notice first I'm in an incognito window. I don't have any wallet extensions installed, and I've signed into my Splits account, and now in the settings I see a new passkeys option. So I've just gone through and created two passkeys, my iPhone and Chrome profile, and I'll add a third passkey, which will be my iCloud keychain. I'll do Touch ID, and I will call it Abram iCloud. Okay, so 3 passkeys are now added to my account, which means I can create a new smart account. And so this will actually create 2 different smart accounts. The first we call Treasury, and that's a 2 of 3 multisig. Again, that uses passkeys as signers, so I'll say my iPhone, Chrome profile, and iCloud are the signers. And then the operating account will be a 1 of N, in this case 1 of 3, because I have 3 passkeys added. And so we automatically pre-fill that for you, but you can obviously, if you have more passkeys, you can add them there. So hit create accounts, and now I can see that I now have 2 new multisigs that have been created, one called operating, which is a 1 of 3, and one called treasury, which is a 2 of 3. And if we were to look at this on an Explorer, the contract doesn't exist yet because it's brand new. So let's go ahead and let's send some funds to this account. So I'll copy the address in a new window that I do have MetaMask installed on. I'm on base, and I will send funds to this new account. Let's send 0.01. And we'll confirm that. And then let's also send it some Sepolia ETH. Base Sepolia. Send 0.02. Okay, so that will be coming through. And so now in this operating account, when I go and refresh the balance, the base ETH is there, and the base Sepolia ETH is also there. So if I want to now transfer these assets somewhere else, this will require 1 signature. So let's move some of the base ETH to the treasury account. So 0.01 is available, so let's do 0.005. So that will create the transaction, and now I need to actually approve and sign this transaction. So I'll hit sign, iCloud will pop up. I'll sign with the iCloud keychain, or the iCloud passkey, and then that transaction has been submitted. And then if I tab over to the treasury account, this will show up in just a second. Great, okay, so that 0.005 ETH is over here. And let's just send this back to the operating account for the sake of this demo, but this will require 2 of 3 passkey signatures. So let's go from the treasury back to the operating, 0.0004. I'm sorry, 0.004. I will submit that, so that transactions have been created, and I need to go in and sign it. So I'm all 3 signers, so this should be fairly straightforward, but other team members, etc., could be signers here. So first I'll sign it with the iCloud keychain passkey. Done, great, okay, so only 1 more is needed. You can see Abram iCloud was the signature and is still queued because it's waiting for 1 more signature. So let's approve and submit this, and let's sign it with a different passkey. We'll sign with the Chrome profile. Okay, that transaction was submitted. I can see it on Jiffy Scan. Okay, so if I go back over here, it should be back in the operating account, which it is. So that's the demo, and yeah, excited to see what you think.